guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you don't know who I am, my name is Nicole. Again, thank you everyone for watching all my YouTube videos. These are such fun vlogs, and I again love to vlog and talk about my day and talk about all the new stuff that's happening. Oh, and if y'all guys don't know, I got this really cute like oversized knitted jacket slash dress looking thing at a thrift store, my favorite thrift store, which is called Thrifties over there in Pasadena, Texas, and I absolutely love that thrift store. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. The purpose of this video is because I received a lot of blessings today, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. So first things first, I arrived at work. I just got off work, and anyway, I arrived at work, and I saw my former boss who got a promotion to another branch, to move to another branch, which is amazing. Congrats to her. She did have to, however, clean up her desk, and she gave me, give me a second, drum roll please. She gave me her infuser that she's never used. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited to go ahead and try this really awesome infuser. I've been wanting to, get my own infuser. Again, these infusers are really expensive, so that's why I've never got around to buying my own. So yeah, I got this infuser from her. I asked her for it. Originally, she wasn't going to give it to me, but then I turned around like 30 minutes later after she left, and she hid it underneath my desk, and I was kicking it. I was like, what the hell am I kicking? And I found out it was her infuser. You can do like everything with this infuser. It even has a little demonstrations. You can do like chilled water, you can infuse fruits, teas, cold brew coffees, something I've really wanted to do, especially right now. We just broke our coffee maker and we wanted a Keurig, but I've read a lot of reviews on a Keurig, and I got a Keurig because I heard that it breaks often, so note to self, always do your research. So yeah, anyway, again, another blessing I had was I have a member, I'm just going to pick up a few of them. I have a member that hand makes jewelry, and oh my gosh, she made me these really cute earrings. Let me show you the purple ones first. So the purple ones have these like square fittings on them, and then these blue ones which have like marble settings, and then these really cute winter ones, which right now the newest Frozen came out, and it reminded me of the Frozen 2, the newest one we just came out. So I can't wait to wear this. I'm also wearing a Christmas pair she made, which matched my outfit that I was wearing earlier. So I did change because this isn't really professional, so I did have to change. So it did match my outfit earlier. No worries. And then I went to Walgreens, and everyone's been doing the press-on nails, so I had to go and check this out. So I've been watching a lot of Instagram videos and stuff, and so one of the things that I like to watch for some reason is cute nails. And for you guys who don't know, that I am a huge #1 Cardi B fan, and so I'm like, I always watch her nails getting done and stuff like that. So I did buy these really cute press-on nails. It'll be my first time to use this. My nails are not done right now, and I'm probably going to use this for the Christmas party that's coming up, so stay tuned for that YouTube video or slash vlog. And last but not least, another blessing I got was I got a letter. Oh, I have to sing this for my fans, so give me 1 second. We just got a letter. Well, I just got a letter. I just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. It's from MC, my makeup subscription that I love to order money from, order makeup from, and order other things because I get like free money because I do a lot of referrals and stuff like that. So yeah, I got my Etsy subscription in there. So let me go ahead and show you guys what's in my Etsy subscription. Give me 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. I did have to unload the Etsy bag. So this was the bag, the Christmas edition bag. It's really cute. It has a green inside. So this really cute green inside. I really like the lighting in my restroom. If you're wondering, why are you filming in the restroom? It's because I like the lighting. You can see my face. So yeah. So again, it comes with this little pamphlet of what is inside my bag. So let's go ahead and start with the Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. So definitely will not be enough because it's just a tester, but I think it was a cute idea to go ahead and include this in my subscription. Definitely, let me see here. If I like the smell. Oh, I do have to remove this little plastic thing. It doesn't smell like watermelon. It just smells kind of like burnt rubber. So actually I probably won't even use that. But I will give it to a coworker that she's a really extremely white woman. And her face gets really dry, so I definitely probably will be giving this to her. It's a daytime facial oil. My face is pretty oily. If your face is oily, go ahead and comment down below to let me know that I'm not the only one with an oily face. Anyway, I got that a Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil, which I probably will not be using because I have a lot of oil anyway. And plus, I really don't put anything on my face unless it's a face mask, so just saying. Second on the list is I have this Milk Made Indulgence Body Milk Cream from Cake, it seems. And, oops. Yeah, it's really, I don't know, I'm super excited about this one. Again, these are all just little sample products, so it's not meant to be, I guess it's not meant to be like a long-lasting thing. So I definitely know that this will also be something that I want to give a good review on. I mean, it's not necessarily that I'll give a bad review. It's that it's just sample products, so I won't have really enough to see a difference. You know, like just kind of like working out. You can't just work out one time and see a difference from that one workout. Like you'll feel a difference if you haven't worked out in a long time. Oh, I can't get this top off. But you have to stay consistent and stay at it for a long time to know, like, oh yeah, and see and feel the difference. You know what I'm saying? So, oh, it smells pretty. It smells like, kind of smells like vanilla. Yeah, it's oat milk, and candy cream. Seriously, beauty. Oh, it's a vegan product. Cruelty-free and vegan-free. Oh, so it's probably a really good one. Okay, I can't wait to use this. Super excited. Woo. And then the next thing on the list is I got this Tarte Clay, Amazonian Clay. So a Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush and party dress. So let me see, that product comes in this small box. It's really cute, so let's go ahead and unpackage it. It's in the color party dress, and let me go ahead and show you guys. Stand back a little bit. Oops. Okay, it's in the color party dress. It comes in this little thing here. And, okay, let's open it up. Aww. I always smell makeup. I don't know why. Okay, I'm probably not the only one. Comment down below if you're the one who likes to smell makeup and see if it's gonna give you an odor. But yeah, okay, so it comes like this, which is super cute. Can't wait to try it. I love pink things, so definitely will be putting this in my purse just to have like a really cute pink thing and just to have like a conversational piece. So Super excited about this Tarte blush. I really don't put anything on my face. That's why my face is so healthy. I used to have acne, however, but it's all clear now. So now I just kind of do my own thing. So yeah. Now the next thing on the list is a lip color. It's called Clink Your Heels by Bell and Agent. So it came in this little packaging. Oops, I was already opening it. It came in this little packaging. And it's supposed to be that color right there. Now, it looks so cute. I really like this one. It's definitely, again, not full size. It's a sample product, but lip stuff usually lasts me a very long time. So this is the product. So cute. I do have a pug calendar. That's why you saw that pug right there. So it's definitely really cute. Okay, and then let's go ahead. It comes in this pretty thing. It's like super red, like Christmas red. So let's see here. Oh, it's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. It's like a matted red. So I definitely will be using this one. It is better than the other lipstick that they gave me. The other one, I was like, oh my god, I'm not gonna wear this color. Like, it's super vibrant, you know? Like, it was a vibrant purple. So this red, I do like red lipsticks because I do have pale skin. So definitely will be using this. Ooh, I got really good products this time, you know? Because last time I was kind of like, oh, I might cancel this subscription. But then again, it was really cheap. Like, these subscriptions are really cheap. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I had to go and get the door for Arturo because, again, we're having a Christmas party. So he went and bought some beer for our Christmas party because I was like, I need to buy beer because I have a lot of Hispanic friends that drink beer, even though I drink wine. I love sake. Anyway, sorry, let me get my breath. Anyway, so the next thing on our list is this Suvela Beauty. It's called Suva, excuse me. Suva, I didn't mean to butcher that. Suva Beauty, oh my god, I cannot talk now. Suva Beauty eyeshadow in Emperor State, which the packaging looks like this. And let's go ahead and open it. So it's a vegan product. I already can tell I'm gonna love this product. Aww, Empire. It's called Empire State, and this is what it looks like. So cute, can't wait to try this product. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, it doesn't have a smell. Really cute. So I know you probably can't really see it, but it's kind of like a peachy, soft brown color. So I definitely can't wait to be using this. All vegan products here. Definitely will be happy to experiment with this stuff here. I don't really like to wear cruelty free. I don't really like to wear products where they test on animals, so I'm super happy that they didn't give me any of those products, except this watermelon thing. I'm definitely really like bummed out on this one. So I did have additional things here that I did order from Etsy, excuse me. I did get this second bag, which had a hair thing, like a surprise hair product, and I'm not really happy with it, but it's this protection spray. It's a resilient hairspray, and it's a protection resilient hairspray. It's literally like less. It's not the size of my hand, like it's just a sampler. I should have just not bought it at, like, I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest, but I mean, I went ahead and bought it because, I mean, why not? I like hair things, like I like hair products because I have really long hair, and I mean, if you ever watch my Instagram, you guys know that Arturo has to brush my hair because I cannot get the back part of my hair. So, I mean, why not try out some hair products. So, again, I did get this really fun, oh, it's vegan, by the way, vegan and cruelty-free hair product, which came in this little pouch. I did get that, and then I also got this brush. It's by Crown. This brush is by Crown, so it's a dual brush. There's like kind of a thick end and then a tinier end. So I did order this one additionally. It was $3 extra to add to the cart. But I figured, hey, why not? Because anyway, I have a bunch of eyeshadow. I have an eyeshadow from, again, Suvia. Correct me if I'm saying it wrong. Suvia. So I was like, hey, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and order this. And then I went ahead and got this eyeliner. So I don't know. Okay, this one is a vegan eyeliner, which I'm also excited to see. It's called Tattooed. So if I like this product, I definitely will be ordering it off Amazon, or you know, the actual products in it, or the actual website, or maybe just go to HEB if HEB sells it. Sorry, it's like super hard to open. I should have opened it before filming this, but whatever. So yeah, it's a cruelty-free eyeliner called Tattoo. It does have a like pen style liquid marker. Excuse me, it's a liquid marker. Okay, it doesn't have an odor. Okay, excuse me. Please go back in there. Yeah, it's waterproof. It's in the color jet black. Insanely sensitive tattooed mini waterproof eyeliner. Vegan and cruelty free. So that's that one. And so that's pretty much it. Yeah. So anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Jeez, God, this video is like full of presents. Like, I feel like it's like my rebirthday. I don't know. Everyone was just super nice to me. I got that infuser. I got like 3 pairs of new earrings that I definitely will be wearing, / I'll probably give one of them away. I did get my Etsy bag, and then my 3 additional products from Etsy, which was that hair spray thing, the brush, the dual brush, excuse me, by Crown, and then the tattoo eyeliner. And then I did get the press-on nails, which are a gold that I will be using for the Christmas party. So yeah. Okay, so I guess this concludes this video. If you haven't already, guys, go ahead and subscribe down below. Again, my name is Nicole. Thank you guys so much for watching all my vlogs, and I appreciate all the love and support everyone has ever given me. I'm probably gonna, or I will be videoing the Christmas party, so stay tuned for that video. I also have been on a roll lately in posting. I've recently just uploaded 6, count it, 6 videos back to back to back. So stay tuned for all my videos because I've definitely been inspired lately. So, and oh, shout out to my new follower. Okay, I have to start giving you guys shout outs because it means a lot to me for you guys to watch me grow in this vlog. Again, if you're wondering why I'm videoing in my restroom just has really great lighting, and also on top of that, I have a party coming along, so my living room is a mess / the people that are coming to my party will see the gifts, and I might be uploading it before the Christmas party, who knows. So that's why I didn't want to film in my living room. Guys, again, I'm sorry, this is a very, very, very long goodbye, but I just wanted to say thank you again. Bye. Peace.